Yo, welcome back, guys. So you can see this particular trade right there. So I want to make a video about this particular trade. It's really very funny. Can you see price come all the way back to my entry, and then price here to go get towards my take profit? It's just like a trade after news, even though I did not take the I did not trade the news. So I saw the setup right here. This I saw the setup. I'm just scalping all this week. I always like see a very long time trade, so I'm just like scalping the market. So I saw this particular setup here. I'm going to explain, and then you can see the price come all the way back to my entry. Can you see right here? Price come all the way back to my entry. With I want to leave the market around there. Let me delete this. Okay, I want to leave the market around there. So you can see the price come all the way back to this particular entry. The reason just because here you go down to lower time frame, just like a 3 minutes time frame. You study this particular range from this particular low to this particular high. Do you see any bearish candle in between? No, there's not any bearish candle in between. From this high here to this particular low, that's what I mean. So there's not any bearish candle in between. If you check 1 minute time frame, so 1 minute time frame right now, 1 minute time frame, this particular moment, it ended up breaking this low right here, and then it ended up breaking this low and also this low, making this particular order block right here. Can you see on 1 minute time frame? So the order block is still inside what my entry. That's the reason why price come all the way back towards my entry. And then okay, I think I have to sell the market also here. Let me check the ratio. Let me just set it up. Okay, I think I'm going to be using market exclusion. Let me set everything. Okay, so I have to set those my tip from right here. So this one ratio 11 plus 1 ratio 9. So that's 1 ratio 20. So I have to enter into the trade right now. Okay. Now let me set my okay. So I'm taking another position inside my position. So I have to reduce this particular order block to this particular area. So let me do that. So just hold on for me. I have to set this trade. I don't want to miss this trade. The same way I'm doing the video, so I'm also like taking a position. Okay. So. Oh man. Oh no. I wasn't able to like to enter into this trade right here. I was like setting it up. Come on. Okay, it's going back up. Let's just get to my I don't like entry market anyhow because I calculate my risk. So until price return back up, and then I don't even have access to like seconds time frame. I will have no where price actually going back to. But I also have to set what's my entry above this particular high. If price probably going to like to go above here, then I'll enter into the trade back again. I made this particular entry. Let's just see if price gets to give me like chance to enter into the market again. Then I'll set entry. But if price have to give me chance, that means price going to go above this particular high. I mean this high right here. So the last high that price form. So from 1 ratio level is going to be like 1 ratio 19. So I'm going to like to be setting what's my entry right here. Then my stop loss is going to be above here. But don't forget to add our spread if you have to like to take any trade like this. So I'm going to be adding spread to the upper side, but this downside, no need of adding spread. So let me just set this. If price is probably going to come back to this particular area, let me just set it. Okay. Okay. Our price already going down, man. I miss this opportunity, but I'm already inside this particular trade 1 ratio 9. But I just have to record the video. That is why I'm doing the video. That is why I missed this particular trade right here. But let me just set the limit. Price can still come all the way back up to respect this particular high, or till price end up breaking this particular low. That is when price is not going to come back to this particular high anymore. That's why price is not going to go above this high. But if price is here to break this particular low, so there's high probability of price returning back to this particular high before coming all the way down. So you can see that price already going back up. Okay, let me just set my limit on time. Okay. Yeah. 2516.18. Okay, you can see the price going up. Stop loss. Okay. Spread. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll set my entry. So I'm expecting price to return back to this particular high. Means this where my entry is supposed to be. Let me adjust this. Okay. Let me adjust this right here. As I was to go live, I tried going live yesterday and also the day before yesterday, but I'm not really like getting it. So I also like to take my time, just like to learn how to go live on YouTube before I can start doing what live. Okay. So price still going up. So this is supposed to enter into the trade. Can you see the order block? This is the last order block right here. I think I also adjust this one a little bit. Okay, so you can see the order block. So this is the order block I make use of. This last bullish candle. So this is the order block I make use of. It ended up breaking this low and also this low right here. Instead of breaking multiple lows. This low, and also this one. So this is the reorder block right here. So price tap into the order block. So this is where I'm supposed to enter into the trade. But right now I'm setting what's my entry above it. I'm setting my entry above it because if price has to come all the way back up, it has to go above it a little bit and then start coming all the way down. So that's why it increases this particular ratio to 1 ratio 90. So I'm expecting price to do that right now. Okay. Okay. So until price end up breaking this particular low, that is when I'm going to like analyze the market to get to know where price is going to. So I'm just waiting for the market. Even though I'm inside this particular trade, okay, I think I'm 1 ratio 3 now. And 1 ratio, yeah, our price going up back. So let's just observe the market. Yeah, I'm supposed to be doing this on live, man, but I don't really know when I'm gonna start live back because I'm having like an issue. I'm just like to understand how to go live. The last time I did that, it was yesterday. My audio was not coming out. I'm not getting the settings right, so I think I have to learn about that so I can start going live on YouTube. So you guys can also be taking this trade along the line as I'm setting what's my entry. So I'm just waiting for the market to play out or probably to get my this entry. So my entry is above this particular high. I think I've explained the reason why my entry is above this high here. Or the price end up breaking this particular low, that is when I'm going to change what's my entry. Okay, price already coming all the way down. Okay, price already coming all the way down. Let me check in 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so the first low is on 3 minutes time frame. Can you see? So the first low is on 3 minutes time frame. If this particular bearish candle end up in if this candle end up in a bearish candle and then the next candle end up breaking this particular low, so that means price is going to tap out this particular bullish candle out and then respect the one above it and start to come all the way down. So that's what I'm just expecting to happen right now. Okay, price still coming all the way down. This is one of the things that you can't just give a signal out because price change. Once price change direction, price change structure, so you have to like get the next bit that price is going to respect. For example, let's imagine that I send this particular signal to someone that price is coming all the way back to this particular high and the price eventually end up breaking this particular low. Price not going to come back to this particular high anymore again. So I have to like to reanalyze the market again to know where exactly price is going to. Okay, so price already coming all the way down. Okay, yeah. So I'm just expecting price to break this particular low, then I will adjust towards my entry. I missed the first entry. Like I should be inside this particular trade right now, but I just missed it just because I want to record this particular video and then I want to do the video. So that's the reason why I missed this second entry right there. This is my first position and then this is my second position supposed to be, but I missed it. And also if you want to like to be cash a trade like this, it's very simple. Just okay, you can see that price end up like breaking this particular low. So if price have to come all the way back up, it's going to like to go above this particular bullish candle here that look like a doji. So I have to like to delete my entry. Okay, delete this one. So I have to like to analyze the market all over again. This 3 minutes time frame, I can go down to like 1 minute time frame to see where price is going to. Okay, 1 minute time frame is still the same order block. So this is a very lower time frame. So I'm going to like to make use of this particular order block straight up. I'm going to set what's my entry right there. Then I'm going to set sort stop loss above it here. Okay, then I'm going to set take profit the same way I set others. Normally this is where I'm supposed to set my take profit when markets start to change direction, but just because I'm already inside this particular trade and then this market is already telling me that price was on the bullish the bearish direction that's going to go below this particular low, that is why I'm set towards my take profit, this take profit right here to this particular low right here. So I'm expecting price to return back to this particular area. This is a one share level. Let me adjust my entry right here. Okay, my second entry, let me move it down. Okay, this high, then stop loss above it. Don't forget, any single time you are selling the market, always add towards your stop loss. Always add that spread to your stop loss. If you are selling the market, always add towards spread to your stop loss. But if you are buying the market, always add spread towards your entry. Yeah, to your entry. So let me just set towards my entry if I miss this trade also. Okay. Yeah, I just adjust my entry. So I'm expecting price to tap into this particular order block and then start coming on the way down. So you guys know I was able to see this particular moment. I'm still going to do a video about it. Let me return the order block back up. Okay, let me adjust the order block, the stop loss to this particular high, because I'm not expecting price to go above this high anymore. This is my next high, so I'm not expecting price to go above this high. So I'll just set this stop loss to break even. Okay, let me just do that right now. All right, it's okay. Okay, I'm done. So I want to explain how I was able to see this moment. Okay, I'm just scalping throughout all this week. Let me just go back to like 4 time frame. Yeah, 4 time frame. You know, price taking was on a bullish direction. Price taking on a bullish direction. That's why I'm just taking a very short time trade, because I'm expecting price to go above this particular high. The reason why is just because on daily time frame, if you check on daily time frame, price just come all the way down to take out this particular low right here. Can you see? This is the last low. This is the last low right here. Can you see? Price come all the way down to take out this particular low, and then price will start going on a bullish direction to go above this particular high here. Because this, let me delete this order block. I'm not going to use this again. So this particular movement from this particular high to this particular low only end up breaking one low. So price is going to like to go above this particular high. So I'm expecting price to go above it. But today is Friday, so I'm just taking a very short time trade. Even though I entered into this bullish trade yesterday evening, just like I want to show it, I'm just scalping this week. I'm not really like entering into long time trade. Price is like to form a long time entry, so that is the reason why I'm scalping. This is on daily time frame. I'm expecting price to go above this particular high. Then on 4 hour time frame, let's check 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame right now, if you check the market very well, this particular moment, let me delete all this. There are a lot of information on my charts. Let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this too. So this particular moment right here, from this particular high, can you see, to this particular low, it ended up breaking only one low, this low right here. Let me delete this. This low right here. If you have to like to find out the order block that end up breaking this low, this is the order block. Can you see the order block? So price going to go above this particular high because it end up breaking only one low. So price going to respect the order block above it. So if you have to like to draw the order block out, can you see this is the order block right now? This the last bullish candle. Then if you go down to like 2 hour time frame, okay, we're on 4 hour time frame. Then the next time frame is on 3 hour time frame. So on 3 hour time frame, there's not much information right here. Price is still the same like order block inside this particular order block here. So there's not much information. Let's check on 2 hour time frame. So on 2 hour time frame, I was able to see this particular movement from this. I think I have to delete this entry, but I feel like doing video about this particular entry right here. That's why I don't want to delete it. But just bear with me. Okay, I think you guys can see this. Let me just change the color. Let me change this onto black. Then okay, So you guys can see this one right now. So from this particular high, from this where this bearish candle start from to this particular low, it not break anything. So price going to go above it. Price going to go above this particular high. Can you see right here? Price going to go above this particular high and then respect this particular other block. Okay. So I was able to like to see this on 2-hour time frame. Then I went out to the next time frame, which is a 1-hour time frame. So a 1-hour time frame, we check 1-hour time frame right now. It's still the same movement. We only have one other block inside this particular other block right here. We only have one other block inside this particular other block. Let me just delete this entry. I'll get the entry back. So we only have this particular other block. If you go down to like so we're on 1-hour time frame right now, so you have to go down to the next lower time frame, which is 30 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame right now, can you see that price is still the same order block? You don't have two other block inside this particular order block. It's only one order block. Price now pick my second trade. Price now return back to that particular area. So let me just wait for price to get towards my take profits. That is my first entry. So I missed the second entry and then the third entry. So I missed the second entry and then the third entry just because I want to record this particular video. That's the reason why I missed it. So this particular order block on 30 minutes is still the same. So you have to go down to the next lower time frame, which is our 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame right now, I was able to see two order block inside what my order block. Can you see the order block? This one right here and also the one above it. From this particular, I think I have to delete this. Okay, let me just move it a little bit because okay, yeah. So from this particular order high to this particular low, it not break anything. So price going to go above it. From this high to this particular low, it not break anything. So price going to go above it right here. Then I was able to go down to 5 minutes time frame for 15 minutes time frame. The next time frame is 5 minutes. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame, we are unable to see two other blocks. The only other block we are seeing is just one other block, just one other block. Then I move down to like 3 minutes time frame. So on 3 minutes time frame too is only one other block, but I just adjust the other block that price going to go above this particular high. So I adjust it to this particular area here. Then from this particular place, then I go down to the next lower time frame. I think I check 2 hours time, 2 minutes time frame. So from 2 minutes time frame, it's still the same thing, and then I move down to 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame. So I saw the entry of 1 minute time frame. If you can check the movement right there. So this is 1 minute time frame. Okay. Okay, see the movement. This is 1 minute time frame. From this particular high to this particular low, did not break anything, and then the last high here. This is the last high, and then this particular movement, it end up breaking only this low. So from this high to this particular low, did not break anything. So normally, I supposed like to set towards my entry above this particular high, but just make use of the full order block. I didn't bother to use this particular area, so I make use of the full order block. But if I was like to set my entry right here, it's going to be more than 1:9. That's what I did. Let me just check, show you guys. Okay, so can you see this is where my entry is? This is where my entry is. You know, price they will like come all the way back to this particular high. Price not tap out this particular high out, this high out. Just because the reason why price coming all the way up is just like to take out all this liquidity. So I'm already on a very lower time frame, and then I'm not seeing enough information. So there's not enough information right there. I was thinking that I'm going to see like opposite candle from this particular low to this particular high. That's like I join the market with. But price is not doing that. Price not doing that. So that's the reason I end up choosing all this other block. The other block is very big. That's why the risk reward ratio is just like 1:9. Okay, but that's okay. I'm just scalping. I'm not really taking a long time trade. So I enter into the market from this particular area. Let me delete this. And then let's go back to like 3 minutes time frame. Okay. Okay. So this is it, this order block on 3 minutes time frame, but there's no information that's going to guarantee me to reduce the order block like this. But all I know is that like price going to go above this particular high right here to take out this liquidity. So that is the reason why I set towards my entry above this particular high. So I'm going to like be sure that price going to like to pick my trade. So that's the reason why I did this. So if you check my entry right here, it's the same place. Price about to get my take profits. It's still going all the way down. Okay, So if you check my entry right here, can you see it's the same area? It's the same area. Yeah. So 1:9. Can you see right here? Then the second trade just like when price was going on a bullish direction, it will check the first time frame that give you the analysis, the first time frame that give you the signal. It was 1 minute time frame. I think 1 minute time frame or 2 minutes. Let me check 2 minutes. Okay, yeah. So I think it's a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so from 1 minute time frame right now, if you study the movements from this particular low to this particular high, price end up breaking this low right here, price end up breaking this one too, and then price end up breaking this, making this particular order block right here a reorder block. So I was preparing to do this video. That is why I missed this particular trade. Normally, if I enter into this trade, this is where I'm supposed to set what my take profit, because this is 100% movement. But I'm going to like to increase what my take profit below this particular low to this particular low right here, to this low right here. So the reason just because this particular entry I enter, I'm sure the price is going to go below this particular low to take it out as a liquidity and then start going what's on a bullish direction. But I know that price is going to go below this particular low to take this low out and then start going what's on a bullish direction. So that's just what I'm expecting. I've missed this particular trade, and then the third entry I was able to like to see, it was this particular low right here. Can you see this low? Price end up breaking this low. Let me delete this line and then let me use trade line. So price end up breaking this low right here. Okay, the first time frame showing this, it was on 3 minutes time frame. So the first time frame really matters a lot. So 3 minutes time frame is the first time frame showing this particular low. So price goes to go above this particular high here. So that is what I was expecting. That's the reason why I adjust what my entry to this particular area, then to sell the market. But price is here to get to this particular area, and then price has ended up like giving 100% movement of this entry right here. I mean this entry, price has ended up giving like 100% movement. So this 100% movement right here, and then from this particular movements right now, price is like to come back to this particular order block and then start coming all the way down. It's not really compulsory for price to come back to this particular order block here, but I just set the limit down, so it's going to be my second entry. If price probably is going to come back to this particular order block here and then start coming all the way down, but I'm expecting that before price starts coming all the way down. So I have been stopping throughout this week because price is just like to give out a long time trade. So I'm saying open for what a long time trade. And then you can be asking, how did I get this particular entry right here? This entry just like 1:8. Let me show you. I think it's on 1 minute time frame. I saw the entry on 1 minute time frame. Yeah. So on 1 minute time frame right here, price end up breaking this high, and then price end up breaking this second high here. So this is the first high, and then this is the second high. So making this particular order block right here a reorder block. Then I set with my entry right here. Normally this is where my take profit is supposed to be, 100% movement, but I increase my take profits right here because I know that price is going what's on a bullish direction. Normally I supposed to like to set with my take profits this previous high here on a daily time frame. You check on daily time frame. Okay, on daily time frame right now, I supposed to set what my take profit here. If I set what my take profit in this particular high, if I say my take profit using this particular high from 1:8, it's going to change to 1:27 because I know that price is going to go above this particular high. But I want to leave the market early and then to analyze the market to know where price is going to next, because price can change direction anytime. So that's the reason why I set what my take profits in this particular area that end up giving like a 1:8. So I think I use 5 minutes high. Yeah, I use 5 minutes high here. Okay, can you see? I use 5 minutes high here. So that is how I was able to see this particular setup. So that is how I was able to see this setup trade. And then this particular setup, I missed the trade. I think I was on live when I was doing this particular analysis right here. I was on live. Yeah, I was on live right here when I was doing this particular analysis. I made the entry because I was expecting price to come back to this particular order block and then start coming all the way down. Even though price has ended up respecting the order block, this particular order block, it will check the movement. It just start from this particular area here. Price end up breaking this low and also this low, making this particular big order block a reorder block, and the price come all the way back to retest it. It will check on I think 3 minutes time frame. Okay, yeah. So 3 minutes time frame, the order block is very big. This is the order block right here. This is the order block. Let me undo. Then if you check our 1 minute time frame, so 1 minute time frame right here, this is the order block. And you see, this is the order block of 1 minute time frame. Yeah, so this is the order block. Price tap into the order block and then starts coming all the way down. So when price was going what on a bullish direction, I was expecting price to go above this particular high, to tap this high out as what a liquidity, and then to start coming all the way down, but price did not do that. So I made this particular bearish trade. Let me show you guys on 15 minutes time frame. Where's the trade? Okay, this is the trade right here. So I was expecting price to go above this particular high, because from this high to this particular low, not break any low. So I was expecting price to go above this particular high, to tap into this particular order block and then start coming all the way down. Even though this way I said was my take profit. So I'm still going to like do another video on how I was able to see some setup during this week. Today is Friday, being the last day of trading. I was actually expecting price to go below this particular low right here. Below this particular low right here. Can you see? So I was expecting price to go below this particular low. But this particular trade, if I have to like to enter into the trade, this is how I'm going to set to my take profit. Even though I know that price is going to go below this particular low, so it's okay to leave the market early where you are sure that price is going to get to. The reason why I'm doing this, like I'm using it to train myself to avoid being greedy in the market. Always set what your take profit 100% movement when you are sure that price is going to get to. If you are not sure that price is going to get to your take profits, set your take profits where you are sure of that price is going to get to the area. It's okay for you to set what your take profit there, and then to secure that particular profit, and also analyze the market again to find a perfect way just like to enter into the market. So that's just for that. This is the low right here. It was on, I think, 4 hour time frame low, or daily time frame low. Yeah, daily time frame low. Let me check 4 hour time frame. Okay, so can you see the low right here? It was on daily time frame low though. So it was on daily time frame low. So price starts to come all the way down right here, and then I was able to study this range from this particular high to this particular low, just like to enter into this trade and end up getting like a 1:18, 1:8. Sorry, my bad. So I'm already in this particular short time trade. This particular short time trade. The reason why I enter against the trend is just because this is 4 hour time frame candle. Price end up breaking this particular high. This is one of the things I always like explain to my students. And then if you're yet to join my mentorship program, please join my mentorship program. You're going to understand a lot of things in the market. Before price can end up breaking this particular high, price end up breaking this high right here. Can you see? This is the first high. Price end up breaking it. So the next high is this particular high here. Can you see this particular high that I set was my entry? It's difficult for price to break too high at the same time. That is one of the reasons why if price end up breaking too low or too high, I classify that particular order block as order block. Even though I give it a name, the name I call it is a funded block. But I'm just to be using those names on my YouTube page. The reason because I just want my strategy to be simple, not like being hard or complicated. I just want it to be very simple. That is the reason why I'm using order block, a real order block. But I gave it a name, and then the name is funded block. The name is funded block. There's a reason why, because it's difficult for price to break two levels at the same time. It's difficult for price, and it's good that you see that price end up breaking two level, too high or too low at the same time. That particular order block that end up breaking that particular area is what a real order block. Price is going to respect it most of the time, and then if price not respect it, that means it's against the trend. It's against the buyers. So that's one of the things that you have to understand in the market. So on 4 hour time frame right now, I'm expecting the next candle to be what a bearish candle, and that this candle right now it remains like 1 hour 56 minutes for it to end. So before price can break this particular high, I'm expecting the next candle, the next 4 hour candle. Imagine that the next 4 hour candle to end up in what, in a bearish candle before price can break this particular high right here. That is just for that. If you are yet to join my mentorship job right now, I'm going to like to be training you on every single thing you need to know about the market, and then how to like to be profitable, how to increase what your risk to reward ratio, and also how to scalp the market even though when price is not giving you a clear direction of where it's going to. So you can be scalping the market a little bit, accumulating profit, 1:8, 1:10, 1:11, 1:15. And also you can end up catching like a 1:20, 1:30, 1:50, you understand? So if you're able to like to see a long-term trade on higher time frame, but price here to like to give us higher time frame entry. So the link to my mentorship is in my description right now. Make sure you check it out and then you join. If you find this video interesting, I really appreciate you guys to like this video. And then if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube page, please subscribe right now. I really appreciate that. See you in my next video.